In this video, you'll learn how to verify your domain on Namecheap in just a few minutes, so you can secure ownership and unlock all the features tied to your domain. First, go to namecheap.com and sign in to your account. Once you're in, click on Domain List in the left sidebar to see all the domains registered under your Namecheap profile. Next, find the domain you want to verify and click Manage next to it. This will open the domain settings page where you can manage everything related to your domain, including verification and DNS records. Now, look for any verification banner or alert at the top of the page. Namecheap usually sends a verification email to the address linked to your domain. Make sure to check your inbox, including the spam folder. After that, open the verification email and click the confirmation link inside. This will instantly verify your domain ownership with Namecheap, ensuring your account stays active and avoids any service interruption. Once your domain is verified, you'll see a green confirmation message in your dashboard. From here, you can manage DNS settings, connect your domain to hosting, and enable features like email forwarding or SSL. And that's it. Your domain is now verified on Namecheap and fully ready for whatever project you want to build.